Audible Affiliate Program tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Audible Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to audible.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And if you don't know Audible, it is a platform and service that provides audiobooks and other audio content to its subscribers. And aside from that, Audible offers a vast library of audiobooks across various genres, including fiction, non-fiction, self-help, business, and many more. And now that we know the background info about this platform, let's now proceed by going to this link, in which you could also access this link below the description. And from here, it will show you the two options such as Amazon Associate Program and Creator Program. And below is the program overview on how the affiliate program works, in which the first step is to advertise this platform Audible, and after that you will drive a traffic or visitors to Amazon.com using Audible links and banners that you use to advertise this Audible platform. And after that, you can earn a commission when your visitors buy Audible products and services on Amazon. Since Audible, it is owned by Amazon and one of the leading platforms for purchasing, downloading, and listening to audiobooks. And below that, it will show you other details before joining to their Amazon Associate Program, including the standard fee structure, the product details, and many more. However, we're not going to choose or join to Amazon Associate Program, but instead we're going to choose the Creator Program. And to do that, kindly click on Creator Program section, and below here, it says here that you can make money with free offer for your listeners, in which you can get $15 for each trial membership you generate. And below is how the offer works. So it says here that basically all you need to do is to promote a 30-day free trial of Audible with your own custom URL. And after that, you will earn a $15 commission for each trial you generate. But also, your listeners will enjoy a free audiobook. So this is basically a benefit for you and your listeners that you invite. And below here, it will show you other details before joining to the affiliate program. You will see here how you can offer your audience a free audiobook. And it also says here that their payment system is a breeze, which means that every time someone signs up through your custom link, you will get a $15 commission. It also says here how they can contact you, in which once you submitted your application, they will contact you using your email address from audibletrial.com. And now that we know the background info about this program, we can now start joining to the affiliate program by clicking this text that says, "Click here to sign up." And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including your personal info such as full name, your email address, your username, and you can also generate your password right here. And below that is your company information such as account display name, the company website URL, your address including your country, city, zip code, and you are also required to enter your mobile or your phone number. So make sure to fill out all of this required information upon signing up to this Audible affiliate program. And also, you could select your answer under the promotional information, including the business model that you have, the property type, either websites, mobile, or even social networks. And below that data, you will see the agreement, including the payout details and the schedule of it, including the action locking, the payout scheduling, and also under the qualified referrals, we have here the credit policy and the referral window. And below that, you will also see here the general terms that you need to consider and must read before signing up to this affiliate program. And after that, you can now proceed by clicking the sign up button below. And then you can now start logging in or signing in to your account. By clicking this login button right here, you will be directed on this page. And to sign in from here, just enter your username and your password that you generate earlier. And upon clicking the sign in button, you will be directed on the impact.com platform, in which it is a platform that focuses on partnership automation and managing influencer marketing programs. So basically, it provides tools and services for businesses to manage their partnership, affiliates, and influencer relationship with the goal of driving growth and maximizing the impact of these collaborations. And upon signing in on this impact.com, you will be directed on this page. So this is a dashboard or homepage of impact.com. And as you can see on the top panel, you can navigate other options including home, brands, reports, and content option. While under the homepage, you will see here the total earnings, the total amount of pending, and your balances. You could also see here the data of your snapshot, including the number of clicks, actions, number of payouts, sale amount, conversion rate, and EPC. And below that data, you will see here some of the brand that you can join to their affiliate program. And to do that, just click the join button below. However, we're just going to join the affiliate program of Audible. So we're not going to apply to any of this brand. And to search for Audible, just click the brands option on the top panel and just proceed by clicking find brands. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, on the left side panel, you will see here the category, relationship, payout model, feature, service areas, and asset type, which is all filter that you could also select to find a specific brand of Audible. However, you could just simply search it on the search bar of it and just enter Audible and proceed by clicking enter on your keyboard. And after that, it will show you the results below. However, as you can see here, it is currently not available, but there are times that it shows here under all brands, feature, my brands, and applied categories. And if you see the Audible brand, just proceed by clicking the apply button to submit an application. And after submitting, it will notify you on your email inboxes that indicate if you are qualified or eligible to be part of their affiliate program. And let's say you are now eligible to be part of their affiliate program, the next thing that you need to do is to create your own tracker links that you will use to advertise the platform of Audible. And to do that, just go back to this homepage. And as you can see on the right side panel, under the create link option, you will see here the list of your brand that you can promote with a simple and unique link. And as you can see here, the only brand that I'm currently accepted to the affiliate program is the web.com. And below, you will see the tracker links that I can use to promote or advertise the platform or brand. And if you got accepted to Audible, it will show you on this create a link section. And you can start copying the URL or creating your own tracker links by entering here and proceed by clicking the create button below, in which you can attach those links to your social media posts such as your Instagram, Twitter, or even Facebook posts. And after that, you will get a commission of $15 per sign up if the person that click your URL link or tracker link buy a product or services on Audible platform. So that is just how you can join to Audible affiliate program. Thank you.